Any heart surgery comes with concerns, but a new robotic-assisted procedure is helping people with a serious heart condition. Boulder Community Health is one of the only hospitals in the area using the Vinci robot to perform mitral valve repair surgery. It's necessary when the valve fails to close properly, causing blood to flow backward. Robotic-assisted surgery is helping treat the disease and get patients back to normal faster. The Vinci robot allows surgeons to go in with the tiniest possible instruments.
We can put them inside the heart, and these instruments will follow the motion of the surgeon's hands inside the heart. You can imagine you can get two 7mm instruments and a camera into a very small space that would be difficult to get your vision and your hands. The major advantage of this operation is that it can be done just through the soft tissue. There's no bone cutting.
Some people who suffer from mitral regurgitation have no symptoms of the disease, so it's extremely important to have an EKG if you have a heart murmur. Mitral valve disease can lead to death if not treated.